Right folks, we're back out. A wee meet up tonight. Scottish Wanderer, Bugsy, then some Ranger, Kenny. There's a few of us out tonight. So, cracking day. Blue skies, sun's out. So, some folk will know where we are, some folk won't. But good wee gathering tonight. So, we're going to go a wee hike this afternoon. I'm first here. So, I'm not going to get set up for that yet. I'm going to go a wee hike up Cornish Hill. So, I'm just waiting on Stuart coming first, and then we're going to head up. So, I'll bring you back once we're heading up. Alright? So, before we head up, just coming down to the wee set of waterfalls. As you can see, it's definitely going to be a cold one. I think it's going to be at least 0 degrees tonight, maybe less. But hopefully it'll be a nice clear night. You can see the frost on that bench there. But that's a lovely wee spot, really nice. Right, we changed our plan. I was supposed to meet Stuart at my house and he's been sitting down there waiting on me. So, we'll go a wee walk up the hill tomorrow. But today, I've been sent a few things for a couple of companies. So, I'm going to do a couple of reviews. I've got a nice new Hennessy hammock. So, thanks very much to Hennessy Hammocks for sending me that. Plus, I think they've put in a set of snake skins and also a kind of reflective kind of mat that goes into the hammock, clips on. So that should be pretty good. And I've got a couple other things that have been sent as well. So over the video I'll show you them, put links into my channel, etc. But like I say, like the video, make sure you get a thumbs up. Any more subs I can get, always appreciated. I'm trying to get to 1,000, not far off it. I think I'm sitting about 930. So not many to go, so hopefully you can give me a sub, be appreciated. But I'll bring you back once Stuart and that get here. Alright? Right, while I'm waiting them turning up, just thought I'll go a wee wander. So, out in the middle of nowhere, can't beat it. But it really is a perfect day today. It's cold, a wee bit of ice on the ground. Did look at the weather forecast, I don't think we're supposed to get snow or anything, but did say something about maybe possibly light snow showers, maybe a bit of hailstones, but we'll wait and see. That'll be later on tonight. But right now, what a cracking day. Absolutely blue skies, sun are shining. This is what it's all about. Like this as well, even on the ridge line. A couple of wee pockets at the top you can stick your gear in. Very good. Another good design. No, must admit, I really like this. Snake skins as well, very good. Whole thing pins down either side. That, very nice. Very nice Hennessy. So, like I say, I will put the links at the bottom of my channel. But I'd just like to say thanks again to Hennessy. James Hennessy in particular, because he's the one that got back to me and sent me this through. So, very, very pleased with it. I'd definitely recommend these hammocks. So, that's it with the bug net closed. Nice sturdy zip on it. Good quality build. Very good. Right, that's us fully set up. So, like I say, full kit. The tarp, the hammock, the snake skins, the pad. Fantastic. No, I can't thank Hennessy enough. I'd really recommend these. I really do like the whole kind of design of it. Just an excellent, excellent hammock. Really is. So I'd highly recommend. Obviously I'm still to sleep in it, but it even looks comfy. The fact that you can lie diagonally in it as well, without getting a nice flat sleep. But it really does look the business. So like I say, I will put the links on my channel, but I'm very pleased with this, very pleased. So thanks again. Right, I've been that busy doing reviews and sitting down just where we're camping, but Stuart and that have turned up and now they've disappeared. So I have a funny feeling they're way up this hill, so I'm just going to go a wee trek, see if I can find them. So I'm hoping that's what they've done and I've headed up the path. Right, but that's where I'm heading now. So we're going to go a wee hike up Cornish Hill. So fingers crossed they're actually up here. But I'm going to be wandering about in the darkness hell. But I'm quite sure they will be. So we're off. So this is a cracking wee hill here. Don't know how many metres it is, but there's a really good path. Takes you all the way right to the top. Takes you up to Cornish Loch. But it really is cracking place. Just can't beat it. Right, I've just passed Stuart and that they're on the way down, so I'm going to the top. Hopefully get some nice pictures. That's the sun starting to go down. Hopefully we'll get to the top, get some nice pics. So, bring you back once you get to the top. Right, that's us kind of plateaued at the top. So it's about, I don't know, maybe another half mile. So I'll get to the kind of viewpoint. It overlooks Cornish Loch. So you can probably see some of the other lochs down there in the distance, but you're heading this way. Right, that's us at the cairn. Superb. So, top of Cornish Hill. So, you can see a good bit of the Galloway forest up here. See for miles. Probably can't make it out in this camera, but I can even see Arran way in the distance. But fantastic. looks like glass. I've actually camped down at the corner there before, but tonight we're camped in the bottom. But very nice, very, very nice. Right, that's us. Up the top, got a few photographs and a bit of footage. I'm going to head back down now, so shouldn't be long. Want to try to get down before the sun goes down, because I've not got a head torch with me, so I'll basically get about 3/4 of an hour to get down the bottom. So better get a wee jog on. So bring you back once we get down the bottom. Right, that's us about 2/3 of the way down. You can't beat the colours in now though, this time of year, can you? See that kind of autumny, what is it they call in America, fall. It's just looks fantastic, doesn't it? But like I say, about 2/3 of the way down. Won't be long I think, and the sun will be going down, but by that time I'll be back down.
Okay.
Right, that's the Densham Rangers here, the Kerry. That's what you call a fire pit. Yeah, leave no trace. But excellent, absolutely excellent. So a nice toasty fire tonight, I think, of this.
Oh, we're going to be great, like, we'll get a good heart in the middle of the fire.
We're certainly not short of wood.
Oh, we're not short of wood.
So we'll be toasty before we know it.
Just everyone. I'm going to sleep the back of man.
Right, so here's a nice new lamp that Kerry's got. Cracker, dual fuel. Right, that's everybody here. As you can see, that's the fire going. Cracking big fire pit. Derek's brought. Really is, it's a stoker. Look at the size of that. But obviously great because it leaves no trace. But it is. And we've got plenty of wood, so we'll not be cold tonight. But full contingent, everybody's here. So it should be a good wee night.
The new John, are you waiting?
I'm waiting till after about 20 to eat.
Alright.
I was bored out of my skull and I said, I'm emptying this bottle of Jack Daniels.
Aye.
And so I did.
Quite right.
Oh, it wasn't long before the ordering Derek's fire.
Right.
Fire, aye.
Wee gift from Kevin's Images. Wee brew with a view mug. Fantastic. Everybody's here. Fire's in the go. You can't beat it.
Photobomb.
Oh, photobomb. It's a handsome stranger.
Kenny didn't we for that?
We were let down for homemade.
Oh.
We were let
What, nae pies? Oh, but as usual, Bugsy's got the cakes. So he's got a selection here of donuts. Oh, my favourite, chocolate.
I'm fine, thanks. I had something to eat before I come out, like, you know, so. Got one. I'll have one. Thank you very much, Stuart. Yes.
Good wee gathering.
How you
So-
put my hat on?
Oh, people got a gang hat, you've got a gang hat.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, to be in the gang,
Thanks for that,
you've got to have one of Bugsy's. You've got to have one of Bugsy's hats. So we've all got one.
I'm fine.
I'll put my hat in the other one, actually. This is how you spend a Friday night.
Absolutely.
Our past day falls, did you know when I went for them? I've just always drove by them.
You've been putting this to work.
Oh, it's been well used, like.
Cheers, gents.
Cheeky donut.
Cheers, Kevin.
Cheers.
I might get a wee bit of life food after. Aye. What the fuck? Kenny, Sarah, Sarah messaged me and said, me and me and Ollie are way out for dinner. Aye, brilliant. I'll show you that Bugsy. He's chopped, he's got an ice cream. When the cat's away, he said to Sarah this morning, we need to go for a meal. Good on me. That's all I just doing the face of. You see, he thinks I'm in the woods eating nothing. So that's him going, look what I've got, Dad, and you've got. He doesn't know I'm sitting with Bugsy and I'm eating 20 cakes here.
I'll need to go on a diet for a week after this.
Oh,
Nice.
Two
God.
donuts.
I need to stop going out with Colin and Bugsy.
I've had enough now. I better leave some room for my burgers and whatever we've got later.
Like her grub.
Loads of stuff. Up loads of night.
Sorry, what was the...
It's Folly Us is yours. F-O-L-L. I had a wee dog cried Folly.
Right.
And then this is what we're going to do as a name, so Folly Us. So just
In fact, I'll subscribe just in a minute, so we'll like it. I didn't care what you made, I probably knew.
As soon as I seen the front page of the picture, I knew it was Walker, and I thought,
that was one of the first ones I did in here.
I recognise it straight away. I
We used to come down there quite regular, down to the gatehouse, kind of the gambit. And I think you have done a couple of videos up where the walkway, we always go round to the bottom at the wee river. Because we used to, it was good for to sneak the van in there.
Is that the bit down for the kind of dam bit?
Like the pumping house bit, I think it's called.
Aye, because I've never actually come
You're
right
sheltered
down
in there, you
that
see.
back bit, but see the wee back.
No, Loch Gower.
No.
But
just
When you come out of Loch Gower and you've got the wee...
just before you get to the car.
No, there's a wee swing path or something. And you drop down the U's, I've done a couple of videos, there's a floor from a concrete, something that goes down. Tesco one.
I have no idea.
Right, it's cooking tonight. So, sweet peppers, onions, what else we got?
And I looked them up, they're only £38.
Wee sirloin steak again.
He's got an extra long handle for that.
I've even bought some of this kind of steak. Shake and sprinkle. So we'll see what that tastes like. But, oh, Andrew as well. We've got spicy mini jacket potatoes. And because we were talking about it last week, it's surf and turf time. So we've got raw jumbo king prawns, specially selected. Oh. Right, somebody commented last week that they preferred rump steak instead of sirloin. So tonight, just for you, can't remember who it was, I've got a wee rump steak.
Exactly. That's the one. How many you got now?
Right, 9:30 last time I looked. Right, rump steak. We'll stick some of this shake and sprinkle. I'll just stick that at the top, rub it in.
Splash it all over.
Splash it all over. So, that'll be going on next. After the onions and peppers. Like I say, it's surf and turf tonight.
Done having kids?
Right, that's the onions, peppers, potatoes with the kind of spice on them. So, next on will be the steak. Then we'll top that off with the jumbo prawns. You better surf and turf.
Can I just ask Colin?
Oh, it's that! Boom! Boom shakalaka!
You can just do the walks.
Right, I'm going to get the rump steak on now. to that nice rub on the top. So, wait till you hear this sizzle.
Pete on YouTube for a while, but I'm guessing he's
I
still
thought
playing
after
now.
all the daft DJ had been up there.
Oh,
the
yeah.
YouTube went up. There was a wee fire like this, and there was we had the, like, I think it was the Red Hot Chili Peppers I had playing away in the fire.
Right,
Was he moaning about me?
we've got the jumbo king prawns. So, all part of the surf and turf.
That guy loves me, Derek. Oh, I think he's got a picture of me as well.
My last comment to him was,
Bite that.
Right, it's looking good. Surf and turf, rump steak, jumbo prawns, spicy potatoes, onions, peppers. Get your votes in now! Right, that's us. Looking good. Surf and turf. Oh yeah. Jumbo prawns, rump steak, potatoes, onions, peppers, garlic, paprika. There was something else, but I can't remember what it is. But all done in the Petromax. So, and this is all mines. Right, got a cracking fire going. Derek's brought that great fire pit. Absolutely tremendous.
See if I show this fire,
So-
I bet you people moan. Oh, but it's in the fire pit. I know that, but some
So, won't even be a mark in the ground because Derek's brought that fire pit. Absolutely tremendous. What a heat you get off this. But, great gathering tonight. Can't beat meeting up for nights like this. Like-minded souls. But absolutely brilliant.
Ah, sorry, it's only neat. We'll cover it up in the morning.
I would move your combo.
You want to know something? Actually, you know, I don't mind burning it. It's just, you just burn it, you know what I mean, sort of thing. Like, you want to cover it up, cover it a bit, no? You came at the end of the day in Amazon, you went for it, that when they put the ash down in the ground, they started growing stuff, the stuff that was ash was growing about 3 or 4 times faster. That's why the Aborigines burn, they have a burning sort of thing. They do it. That's why I always laugh about it, is because the ash is full of phosphorus. And phosphorus going into the ground is great for growing. Grows up. It's all good for the ground. Kenny, I had some guy moaning about me having a fire. I said to Sarah, Sarah's Australian. She's going to hate. Sarah's from Australia. She said, that's what the Aborigines are. I'm going on the ground. Exactly. They said, oh, that's melting. And that's why you gain it. I'd like to try and make a troops a bit. I can't top the ages to out and watch them. We need to know somebody that's got one of the wood kiln. That's right.
That must be me then.
A permanent lathe, that's it.
Does
I wonder who's got a permanent lathe here.
Does anybody know a Paul Riding?
Aye.
I sent a friend request. Aye.
Paul Riding, I think he's okay. Aye, Paul Riding. Aye, he's okay, guy. Yeah.
Is he? He's got me in Hecken or that thing. I was asked if I don't know anybody, you know what I mean?
Aye. No, he's on the channel. I can vaguely picture him. Aye.
Location.
He was still taking Mondays out when I left today, you know what I mean? See if he said some at the front.
You live in a mansion, bug?
No, it's just the guy.
You mustn't still
honestly,
win this.
The guy was in that house before, he was obsessed with wood.
Keep on getting it. We're getting plenty more cabs out in the winter time. Definitely, more than ever. Especially with the snow calling. When the snow calling.
Aye, go on with the snow.
I'm praying that we get.
Did you like my spoon, Kenny?
What's that, dude?
My spoon?
I loved your spoon you made. I made a comment, didn't I?
Oh, you did, so.
I thought that's a classic, that is sort of thing.
Right, that's me. I'm going to my bed. So, see a few tents out the night. A couple of folk in hammocks. There's a fire, cracking fire tonight.
We've got the hill, we'll do icing a vodka tent.
Right, that's it. Off to bed. So, I'll bring you back in the morning once we've tested out this new Hennessy hammock, but I'm very impressed with it. Very good. Got an under blanket as well. That's no Hennessy, but the full rest of the kit Hennessy. So, very pleased with it. Thanks again, Hennessy. Excellent. Right, that's us. In our bed, or in our brand spanking new Hennessy hammock. Great bit of gear, very comfy. Great design. Got these pockets, it's got the strap in, bubble mat, tarp with it, full works. So, really am pleased with this. So, I don't know, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. That's it, we've had a good night, but really am pleased with this hammock. Would highly recommend it. Obviously, bring you back in the morning, but I'm quite sure I'm going to get a great sleep in this. So, I know I've said it before, but I will put the links on the bottom of my video where you can get this. But very good, very well designed hammock. Really pleased with it. So, I'll bring you back in the morning. Alright, see you in the morning. Alright, morning. Crack night's sleep. Definitely recommend this hammock. Really is a cracker. Slept at a log last night. Brilliant. So, like I say, put the links on my channel to the Hennessy site with this kind of gear, but really good. Highly recommend. So, now that I'm up, well, not quite up, but I'm going to get up, get out of bed, alright my hammock should I say, but good wee night again, and the rain's kind of stayed off, so bring you back at an action. So, hope you enjoyed. Cheers.